Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact uh, the PayPal support. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do now is just to go to the help center, and from there we will be able to access the contact support feature. So here in my case, I'm using the web app and it will be similar to the mobile application. So the first thing will be is to find the help section. In my case, I already have it in my menu or in this tab. And basically, in your mobile app, you would find it here by clicking on your profile picture, and then you would need just to search for help, support, or something similar. So I'm just going to click on the help, and basically now all we need to do is just to go down, and from there we will be searching for the help. So simply we can just go down, and from here we will find more ways we can help. The first thing would be all these sections or all these support articles that can communicate some solution about some specific problems. And if you want to talk within to contact the support, you will need just to go to the message center. So we click on the message center, and from here you will find the customer support. So the first thing would be the PayPal assistant. Of course, you will need to talk to PayPal assistant first, then you can start contacting support. We can simply click on contact us, and from there you will find the contact us section, and those are common issues, etc. that you can find. And basically, contact support, and you will need just to continue until it gives you you can see all our agents are currently offline, and then you will try again during business hours, and basically then you will just type support to the PayPal assistant, and on this specific time you will get a PayPal support agent that you can contact. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.